So if you've got a Fire TV Cube sitting under your TV, there's some good news. Amazon has started rolling out its brand new Fire TV interface to even more devices, and now the third generation Fire TV Cube is finally joining the party. The updated interface first appeared earlier this year on a handful of devices, including the second generation Fire TV Stick 4K, the Fire TV Stick 4K Plus, the second generation Fire TV Stick 4K Max, some of Amazon's newer Vega devices, and a few Fire TV Smart TVs. But over the last few days, more and more Fire TV Cube owners have been reporting that the update has landed on their devices as well. Now, before you rush to check your Fire TV, there's something important to know. Amazon always rolls these updates out in stages, which means only a small number of Fire TV Cubes are getting the new interface right now. If you haven't seen it yet, don't panic. It doesn't mean there's anything wrong with your device. It simply means your cube wasn't selected in this first wave. Amazon typically uses these gradual rollouts to make sure everything is working smoothly before expanding the update to everyone else. Assuming no major issues pop up, we could see the new interface reach all third generation Fire TV Cubes over the next few weeks. Unfortunately, there isn't a secret trick or hidden setting that lets you force the update. The best you can do is head into Milli settings, then My Fire TV, and finally Willy about to check for software updates. If your device is part of the rollout, the update should appear there automatically. As for older Fire TV devices, Amazon hasn't officially confirmed whether they'll be getting this refreshed interface at all. So if you're still rocking an older Fire TV stick or cube, we'll just have to wait and see. Let me know down in the comments if your Fire TV Cube has received the update yet, and if it has, what do you think of the new interface?